With the macOS 27 Golden Gate update, you can now arrange your desktop widgets in both portrait and landscape layouts. Here's how to add and customize their size and color. So first, to add a new widget, or maybe more widgets to your desktop, move your cursor to the top right corner on the menu bar, click on it, and you can select Edit Widgets on here. Now similarly, if right-click is enabled, you can right-click on an empty area on your desktop and select Edit Widgets from here. Now, as you can see, a pop-up window will appear, and on this left-hand side, if you go through here, you'll see all the available widgets together, listed in here, one after another. As you can see, each category offers widgets in different sizes, shapes, and colors. Now you can simply click on any widget to add to your desktop, like this, or you can also drag like this and drop it wherever you want on your desktop. Now, you can also change the widget size. By right-clicking on it, you'll see options including extra large and the new extra large portrait option in macOS Golden Gate. And after adding a widget, you can also drag it to reposition or rearrange your widget groups however you like on a desktop. Totally up to you. There's one more thing I want to show you. You can also customize your widget colors. So for that, let's open the system settings, then scroll down a bit to appearance. Now, in the right-hand side options, if you switch to dark mode, your widget colors will automatically change into that mode. And under icon and widget style, you can choose from 4 different options: default, dark, clear, and tinted. You can just go ahead and try each one of them, and you can see how it looks if you like them, and then choose the style you like best. That's all for today. See you at the next one.